everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be continuing on with the rainbow makeup series, and today is yellow. If you've missed my other 2 episodes, this is 4, not 2, so 2 episodes, we have done red and we have done orange, and next in the rainbow is yellow, and next in a rainbow, who needs to know, because that's next time's video. Well, anyway, I'm gonna skip the bit where I'm like, oh, sorry, don't post, I've been a while. You know what it is, I post on here for fun, and welcome back. I've missed you guys, and I hope you've missed me. But you might be here for a makeup tutorial, you might be here because you know me or watch my videos, or you just might be here because you stumbled across a video and now you're like, oh my god, why did I make it here? Anyway, let's crack on into the video. But before I do, I am going to show you some of the looks of some of the inspo that I have. So I'm thinking yellow, obviously, because it's yellow, next color. And I'm thinking graphic liner, because so far we've done like a negative space cut crease and we've done quite a basic glam look. So I was like, let's get into it with some graphic liner. So I did some Pinteresting, and here are my screenshots. I'm just like gonna pick up my laptop because I have my images right here, but I'll put them on screen for you. So first we have like this graphic liner, like just a little wing with a little cute daisy, and I thought it was cute, but this is line work and it could be interesting to do, as in difficult, but I quite liked it and it was very different to what I've done so far. Then we have a few things which are kind of similar. So first was this look. This is what I saw first. A bit of black and yellow and a bit of white by my top. And that's why I'm sticking my arms up, not because I'm weird. And it's just really bold, and it was like, this is tasty. I like it. But again, is it too much? I don't know. Then again, I came across that black and yellow. It's just like a real bold statement. And this one giving you a bit of help. So I was like, okay, maybe a bit of eyeshadow, and then the black is the liner. And then we stumbled across, I don't know why I say we. Then I stumbled on this lovely look, and this is like wham bam full look that I don't know if I want to do, but I really like the eyes again. So it's like yellow, like crisp liner with black, and the lip is pretty awesome. But I wanted to take away like the highlight. It's like a yellowy blush highlight thing, and it's beautiful. So I think I am gonna go for that bold yellow liner with black and take these as inspiration, not like the main outcome. So that's what I'm going to try out. Now I can put this down and let's get into it. But before I start this video, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and you just want to support a small content creator. No begs here, well, and to subscribe to my channel to see more of me and makeup fun. But without further ado, let's crack on. Hello, so we are back with eyebrows on, my lids primed with some concealer, ready for the liner. And yes, my mini ears on, because while I'm recording this video, it is 2 weeks, no, less than 2 weeks now. It's like 10 days until I go to Disney. So I'm so excited, I'm getting in the spirit. Look out for those vlogs because they will be coming. But let's get into some graphic liner, and I am going in with the Lash Dupe Split Cake palette. So this with these colors here, and obviously we're focusing on yellow. So I'm just going to take some setting spray. This is the Dewy Bounce from the Beauty Crop. And I don't actually use this setting spray that much because I don't like to be too dewy, but then also I don't really like the smell. So I use it for things like this and also my brows. So I'm going in with this shade here, and just again, if I lean to the side, I don't know why I leaned, you can see this is the look that we're going for. So I'm just going to focus on doing a big yellowing first because I feel like I could put the black over the top. So let's do that. Yeah, let's just draw a basic wing. Okay, so that's the stencil which I'm going for. And yes, it's huge, but it needs to be bigger than the black wing because we're going to be painting the black over the top of this. This yellow is quite neon. Is it too neon? I might have to do a few layers because it's like dry and a bit patchy. But maybe that's because I put too much setting spray into it, so I haven't got picked up enough color. So I can just build it up. Like so. I always think it looks so weird without black. Like, it's a pale color, so it's like, are you trying to make a statement? It's just like, I don't know. Black eyeliner is the way to go, in my opinion. And I'm now confused. That's why I decided to go with black and yellow. Anyway, I am brambling. I think I've got it on there. I don't want to go too high because I need to do black above it. So I'm probably done and gonna let this dry. And I might get some yellow shadow to put over the top. So one moment. So tiny little brush and then James Charles multi-palette because this is the yellowest yellow I own. So I am picking the product up on this brush. And while the line is wet, I'm going to push in this colour onto that liner just to change the shade a little bit because I feel like it's too neon, as I have already said. And it doesn't matter if it falls out everywhere because I haven't done my base yet. So if you didn't know, I don't do a lot of graphic liner look. However, I watch a lot online because I think they're stunning. So therefore, I wanted to try something new. That's the whole point of this series, is picking a colour, picking a particular makeup look and just going for it. Just to have fun, but also show you guys like you can still learn and have fun with makeup. You don't have to be perfect all the time, and you don't have to do clean girl makeup every single day, because I am totally not a clean girl makeup look queen. Like, I definitely prefer dramatic looks, but most of the time I don't wear makeup because I work from home. So then after work I'm like, let's have some fun, and that's looking good. And while I've got the eyeshadow now I'm on this eye, I also want to like have it in my lower lash line, just like the, which one was it? I think one of the eyeshadow looks all had yellow underneath and I really like the way it looked. Though I might redo this when I add foundation, because I've just realised I haven't put foundation in this area, or concealer. Probably gonna get hidden. Okay, there it is. Now time for the black. Okay, so the black is meant to start here and go above the yellow. So again, let's wing it. I'm gonna start from here. Hopefully you can see I always have bad posture when I do this. And oh my god, because of the way it's dried, look, it's like crinkled on my eye. Can you see it? I hope so. I just realised it might be at a slight angle. Look, now I have to fix that. I'm sure we can make it work. So I want to draw the lower wing first, which I'm having a bit of difficulty doing it over yellow, just because I've put like a powder on as well, but also because this isn't the natural placement of where I would put a wing, but I don't want to put it too far to the other side, or otherwise I'm going to cover up the yellow. Okay, not too bad. Now we are going to do a thin line of black on the eyelids, like close to the lash line. So again, this is quite the normal bit, so I feel comfortable doing this bit. The question is, how much of a bumblebee am I going to look like? And why do I keep talking? Because then I mess it up. I don't know what to do with the inner corner yet, so I'm just going to leave it about there. The black wing probably could use a little tidying up. And here. Okay, awesome. Now we have the fun bit of like creating a cute little line. Oh, cute little line. That is not cute or little. Okay, now we just go. Do I want to make it? Okay, I keep talking and then I'm about to do something, so I'm just gonna do it and then we'll see. I think I want to try again. It definitely goes too high, but I like the ending, so I'm just gonna try and remove it from here. I know I'm making a big mess. Honestly, this look looks so simple, but it's so precise. It's like kind of difficult. Right, concealer brush it. I should normally do one eye first, because then I'll be like, look, this is how it is. I've practiced it, now let's replicate it. But now I'm like, come on guys, let's learn as we go. Just gonna set that concealer. Let's do it again. Ooh, that is looking better. It's easier to do it from this side. Okay, I like this a lot. My line is a bit patchy, so I'm probably just going to thicken it up everywhere. But I don't know. I don't know what the era is. Is it 1970s, I think, where they have these like looks, or is portrayed where they have these looks? I don't know that much about it. But I think it's so cool. When I was doing, well, when I had this look like just the yellow one, I was like, Now I'm like, yeah. I'm just so impressed how I got smooth. Like, look at that arch. I mean, it's a bit bulkier in the middle. I'll show you, ignore that. The question is, what do we do with our inner corner? I think we need to extend that black a little bit. So, like, create like a triangle, but below the yellow I already have on in the inner corner. Okay, so I got a little triangle, and then I'm just going to extend it out. What do we think? I really, really like that. And it didn't take me that long at all. and goes with my jumper. And I've realized I've been really quiet doing this, but I am going to do the other eye and my base makeup, and we can finish off with a bit of highlighter and lips. But so far I would say graphics liner is difficult, but it's fun, and hopefully I'll be a bit more chatty in the next section of my video. So one sec. Ta-da! Both eyes are done. I've basically done my base makeup apart from blush and highlighter, and this is what it's looking like. I do think I actually prefer this eye. This one is a bit wonky, but I still like it. Yes, it's not symmetrical. Now that I'm looking like this one goes up and then this one doesn't. I think maybe it's because I was holding my brow up when I was drawing it on, so now it's like not. So maybe we'll just take pictures from one side and ignore the other. But let's try out some highlighter blush technique thing. So I have this highlighter from Revolution, and I have the yellow in my palette that I showed you earlier. I'm gonna mix them together and see what we get. So tapped it in the yellow, picking up highlighter, and then putting it on my face. Because why not? I think we need some more yellow. And just put it on. Then we have a yellow highlighter blush moment, and I got this inspo from one of the Pinterest photos. Honestly, Pinterest is so cool. I spend so much of my time on it, just looking up things, makeup looks, engagement rings, because why not, home decor stuff, even like smoothies and food recipes. And oh my god, is that even bumblebee? I think I also like went around that wing, that yellow wing that I did. I went around it with more yellow because I was like, more. Now time for lips. That's I'm just gonna line them in this lip cream from the Beauty Crop. Is that the color on? Cupcake. And then I'm gonna try yellow and then probably go over it with something else because probably isn't gonna work. Oh, but I love this liner. Why don't I use it more? Maybe the shade? It's just nice and creamy. It goes on beautifully. True story about me is I actually record quite a few videos. I have 3. This is my 3rd one ready to go. I'm just awful at editing them. I need to edit them tonight. And I actually edited like the orange episode this week, and then I decided to delete like the edited version. So now I gotta do it again. And that one is a long video because I was talking so much, whereas this one, I feel like it's on track and it's just about makeup. And now I've spoken, look how wonky these lips are. Right, I was going to try do some sort of ombre look. So again, just pick up yellow and put it on. Oh, I have the colour case somewhere actually, from Made by Mitchell. I wonder if that has any yellow in, because I feel like that will work better on the lips. Colour case acquired and no yellow. We've got this like green colour and this sour colour, but I feel like they're both kind of green, so no thank you. But I have this P. Louise base, so let's use that and see what happens. Ooh. How did I do that? It's like I'm separated and probably out of date. Look, see? Okay, now that's the base we want. Great, I put a load of oil on my lips. I mean, it's probably fine, but just wipe that off. Okay, I got a tiny bit on my hand, which is probably what I should have done first. Getting the brush into it, see how it looks. Ooh, nice. I really don't know what I should expect. Like, I've put a deep pink lip liner on with some yellow. I am just having fun. And now the yellow is just blending into a nude colour, which kind of works. I feel like I need to blend out that lip liner though, because it is getting really harsh. Because I overline my lips, because they're tiny. And then I'm going to blend everything else into a nude, and then put yellow on top. Because you're probably thinking, and I feel the same. But anyway, now I'm picking up some yellow and I'm dabbing it all over my lips. Look, cover my bottom lip in that yellow shadow. And I quite like it. It's really bizarre. And I like being bizarre with makeup at the moment and doing things that you wouldn't usually do. That's the whole point of this series. Okay, so what I was going to say is videos to stay tuned for. After this, we have a Disney haul kind of vibe. Like, I'm going to Disney and I've bought some new clothes and I wanted to show you what I got, because when I'm there, I'm probably not gonna able to show you my outfit so well. So the line is still there, which gives definition. However, if we power, it looks weird. But anyway, I keep swapping and changing. We were talking about what to expect from me. As I put highlighter on my lips now because I haven't got enough to highlight. What? I did not expect that. Now, I'm going to talk about one thing and then I'm like, hello. My lips look rich and gorgeous and decadent. Who knew? Who knew? Anyway, okay, I'm talking about other stuff. Videos coming up. So Disney, yes, that. Then I'm hoping I can record a vlog, but I'm not really a vlogging person, so we'll see how that goes. I've done a few on my channel actually, and I really enjoy like watching them back myself because it's like cute memories. But at the same time, I'm not one of those people who like records and talks. I normally do a voiceover because I get too scared. So we'll see about that one, because I'm going to Disney World for 6 nights and then I'm going to Universal for 6 nights. So hopefully I get some clips and I'll be able to show you the fun trip. So we have those, and then when I get back it's going to be October and be Halloween. So my videos are probably going up like a couple of weeks after I recorded them, because that's how long it takes for me to edit them at least. So you will have, this is the last episode of the color series for a while. Then we'll have Disney stuff and like travel vlogs. Then we'll get into Halloween looks. And if you have any ideas of what Halloween looks you want me to try create, please let me know. I love Halloween. I think my biggest thing is I like to do on this channel is to create a different clown look each season. So far we've had like a kind of a mask clown, which was super colorful with like pastel colors, which was really fun to create, and it was trust the process. So if you want to go watch that video, please do. Then last Halloween we did It. Was it? And that was that 2 Halloweens ago? Then we did an It look, that's what I remember. And I did it pink because I love pink. And now this year I need another one, and I might try a Glam clown because I've done 2 quite dramatic clown looks. But we will see. If you have a preference, leave a comment down below. But yeah, that's the fun content. And then it's basically Christmas, isn't it? Because you have November. What is November other than warming up for Christmas? So during November, I will probably pick up this colour series again, because we have lots more colours to go. So I just put some mascara on. I'm probably now going to, as I lean over and grab them, stick some lashes on, and then I'll be back to show you the complete look. So 1 second. And this is the finished look. Oh my god, I kind of look futuristic slash alienistic slash robot. I don't really know. It's not really usual, but I'm here for it. I like it. It's weird, it's different, and I had fun with makeup, and it was a great way to spend my evening, basically. As you can see, I decided to leave my hair a mess because I feel like it rocks the look a little bit. So yeah, I think that's it for today. As I said, there's lots of future upcoming videos, so please subscribe to my channel and also hit the thumbs up button if you did enjoy this video. And oh my god, that sounds so weird because I normally say it the other way around, but anyway, yeah, thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. It means so much to me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.